Construction Edition for home building is a cloud-based solution made up of job cost accounting, financials, that's simple, easy to use, specifically designed for the construction industry. As I log into Acumatica, I see my workspaces on the left, which include construction, purchasing. These are user-defined, can be modified by individual. We can make these quick and easy, short, or we can expand this to include all the areas that we need to get to. User-defined dashboards with drill-down capability also here, so you can take your data and move it, display it in whatever format for whoever the important person in the company that needs to see that. When we look at these, if I click on any one of these widgets, it will drill me to the details. So if I click on a home, it will take me to the actual project. From within the project, I can see everything that I need to on one screen and have drill down capabilities. If I walk in and look at the revenue budget, I can see all the schedule values, the line items for my draws. What's the line item? What am I drawing? Do I have change orders? What's happened within this draw? When I want to run a billing, I can run a pro forma billing right from the project. It will generate that pro forma, which I can then send, email, print. If I look at the cost budget, same idea, spreadsheet. You can modify these spreadsheets, move columns, change orders, eliminate columns if you don't need those. We can import and export right from the spreadsheet. So I can bring in an Excel budget, bring it in without having to go through anything like a comma delimited or import file. We also have web services available. We can import in from other applications. If you see a transaction you're interested in, you can click the View Commitment Detail button. It'll drill to that transaction and show you all of the subcontracts, purchase orders that I have available. If I click on the subcontract, it will drill me to this subcontract. From this perspective, I can see exactly where I stand. Do I have anything outstanding? What's happening within this subcontract? If I go back to the project and move, I can see change orders. As I look at the different change orders, I can drill down to see the detail. In this case, I've got a simple change order. First line item is modifying my budget line items. Second tab is letting me modify the budget itself. So revenue, budget, and then the third tab lets me add or modify commitments. The whole idea is to get you to one screen, be able to go through, generate a change order, calculate the gross margin. I can then take that change order. I can print it if I want to. I can email it if I need to. I can send the change order from this solution right to DocuSign. So I've got my change order document. I've moved it to a PDF. I click DocuSign. It'll log into my DocuSign account, and I can move my change order now through the approval process. When it's signed and completed, the signed change order will move its way back into Acumatica. As I move through the tabs, we can see balances, revenue, expenses. If I want to drill down to see any of the transactions, I can double click or hit this. If I want to go down and see material, purchase orders, double click, I can click this as well. This shows me compliance on the project. If I go further, I can see any of the invoices. So if I'm generating pro formas, these are all the pro formas on the project. I can drill down right to the pro forma invoice and determine what was the progress bill that we sent out. Was it a progress? Was it T&M? How do we send it out? So the actions out here, I can email it, I can print it, I can send it to DocuSign if we need to. Move a little bit further. This will show me all my commitments, all my purchase orders, all my subcontracts on this project. And then I can come out and see any compliance items that are outstanding. So very simple, easy to use, visual orientation on the project. Start simple, just use the construction features. We have a full purchasing, inventory, sales orders, manufacturing, time and expense, banking are all part of the suite and are available under the different editions that Acumatica supplies.
I'd like to thank you for joining me today. If you care for a deeper dive demonstration based on your own organization's functionality and requirements, please reach out to your local Acumatica reseller or contact the number you're seeing up on your screen or via info@acumatica.com.